Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just gonna be doing a simple, easy makeup look for days that you do want to wear makeup to your class. I do not wear makeup to my classes every single day. Half of the time I walk in there looking like I just woke up, to be completely honest. But there are days that I just want to look freaking cute, so this is usually the look that I kind of go for. All of the products will be linked down below for you guys in case you're interested in purchasing them. Also, a disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist, so half of the time I just use what I got and I go with it. This is just kind of what works for me and what I do. So enough chit chat, let's just go ahead and get started with this video. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Okay, so we're actually gonna go ahead and start off with putting my hair in some type of ponytail because I could not do my makeup with my hair coming all over my face. So I'm just taking this simple little light pink scrunchie that I got from Ulta. But yeah, basically I just do a low pony. Honestly, sometimes I wear this hairstyle to class when I just look like a disaster, which is usually all the time. We're actually gonna start off with some sunscreen. This is actually the Glossier Invisible Shield Daily Sunscreen. I put some on this side. And then I also do the top of like my forehead. Next thing I like to do is just take my eyebrow brush. This one is actually from Target. It was literally like less than $5. I brush my eyebrows because I do that all the time. Now I'm taking the Glossier Boy Brow. This thing is just my go-to for when I need to do my eyebrows, like for an everyday type of look. So easy to put on. I usually just let it dry a little bit. I then go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I have not switched. Y'all need to try this even if it's just one time. Just look at the jumbo applicator. That's probably my favorite part about it. Warning, I do go a little bit overboard with the concealer because it's the only thing keeping me together this semester. Triangle going down. I know it's kind of a lot, but I just need this. I do another triangle going down. I do this weird little thing up here, and right here, because I always have redness there. I do something down here, and then I also have this redness area right here for some reason. Basically, half of my face is covered in concealer. I just take my beauty blender. You could buy these at like Walmart, Target, anywhere. I just immediately kind of start blending it in, kind of bouncing off my skin. I go in with this pressed powder. I just put some under my eye and the sides of my nose. I only put it in the areas that I get oily. Next up is one of my more like favorite parts about doing my makeup. I recently got a new bronzer because I used to use the Hoola bronzer, but look what freaking happened to it. I don't even remember dropping it. I started off loving the Hoola bronzer, but now I felt like I needed something new. So that's when I purchased this Becca bronzer in the shade Capri Coast. I honestly feel like this is less likely to like break like the other one did, and it's also more like dewy. I just take this big large BH Cosmetics marble brush. I'll have my brushes linked down below as well. They're just super cute. Like, look at all these marble detailing. A little bit and kind of build off. I also love doing the top of like my forehead. Yeah, and then I do drag it down. I learned from Kim Kardashian. I don't know what video or outlet I saw this in, but she like does a 3 with her face. All right, so next up, another one of my more favorite parts about doing my makeup is a highlight. It just makes you look like a bronzy, glowy babe. This is the only highlight palette that I own. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I do know that this is currently no longer available in Sephora for the rest of eternity. That's kind of sad actually. But honestly though, if you're gonna invest in highlight, either do Anastasia glow kits or even Becca highlights are like the bomb, or so I've heard. I don't know. Until I literally run out of this, I'm gonna get a new glow kit, but I really still have so much after all these years, so I don't need one right now. I think today I'm feeling the 143 shade, which you could kind of tell because I'm really getting in there. I'm starting to finish it, so that's kind of sad. I just love highlight. Yes! Oh my gosh, this is what I was freaking looking for. It makes me look like I'm alive. Next side as well. The nose highlight is probably one of the most important areas to put highlight. It's just one of the first areas that you notice highlight in general, like in photos and anything. I add more. This is probably why I'm running out of this shade, because I put it like on all over my face. I put it on this section, and the last area that I love putting highlight is kind of like on my chin. Not too much, but enough to see it, you know? Next up, I'm gonna do eyeshadow, but it's only like 2 or 3 shades and they're very natural. I'm gonna go in with the Tartelette in Bloom palette. I'm gonna take some of this white shade named Charmer, and I always apply that on my brow bone. After that, I literally take my finger and I just go in with this natural light brown shade right here. It's called Flower Child, and I just kind of spread it all over my eyelids. I kind of use it as a very translucent type of shade, like you can't even tell that it's there. I do that on my other eye. On days that I do want to add some color to my crease, I just take this shade down here. Honestly, it's not even that noticeable. I just kind of have it on to add some color to my eye when I feel like it, but again, I don't do this every single day. Other eye, and I take that same shade and I just brush it under my eye. I guess it just opens your eyes up more. It's like that no makeup look. I actually forgot one huge step that I do with my highlight. I just take the same shade of what I got earlier and I put it in my inner corners. I don't know what it is about it, but it just opens up your eyes and makes you look like you're not dead. And then once you add mascara, it looks even prettier, trust me. I'm gonna go in and curl my eyelashes. I just have this one that I got from like TJ Maxx like last year. If I could find it, I'll link it. If not, I'll link a similar one because again, I got this one from TJ Maxx. There we go. I actually have this mascara that I haven't been using for a long time, but it's actually really good for a drugstore mascara. For now, I've just been using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Mascara, again, is another one of my favorite parts about makeup because it just puts the whole look together. I try not to put any mascara on like the top of my eyelids because then it's a pain to get off. And I do the bottoms as well. Honestly, the right mascara is just like the key to everything. Okay, and the very last thing is just adding a product on your lip. If I'm just feeling something really quick and natural, I just use the Glossier Balm.com. This thing is literally so flat, like a sheet of paper, because I've used it a lot, but I will link their website where they have so many other flavors and colors. But if I want something a little bit more fancy, I just use the Glossier gloss. I just use the regular clear transparent one. These are great to even put on top of like a natural lipstick color or something like that. This is also my second time purchasing this gloss, and I got their Halo graphic one too. I hope I said that right. If not, I will. Perfect! Rebrush my eyebrows because by then I feel like it has highlight and so much other stuff in it. Sometimes I just go in, recurl my lashes, but not for as long. Looks like we're pretty much done. This is just my simple, natural makeup look that I do for class when I feel like wearing makeup. There's days that I don't even put makeup on at all, and that's most of the time. But sometimes you just want to look cute to feel good. So this is just kind of like the outcome. Alright, well, I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to leave down some video suggestions for me to film before the new year or the new semester begins. Bye! Bye, guys!